Hey, what's good, my Jay-Z people? Welcome back to Gearhead Chronicles. Today I'm gonna be working again on the Lexus, and we're gonna be replacing this ugly old Strut bar with some brand new Megane Racing set, front and back. As you can see, this one is already cutting in on itself, and well, it doesn't really look the best. So without further ado, let's get wrenching. Alright, my people, both Strut bars are in from Megane Racing. I'm not affiliate with them. It was present from my wife, by the way, but I already did test drive the car and it feels amazing. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.